Hello there, in this video I will show you how to create a navigation bar in Framer. Let's get started. To create a navigation bar in Framer, you have two options. First is using a inbuilt Framer navigation component, or second is designing navigation bar from scratch. So I will show you these two methods one by one. So let's start with the first method. Click on insert icon and here click on navigation. Then from here select the type of navigation you want to add. You can switch to the light or dark according to your website interface. I will just simply drag and drop this second navigation bar. Simply drop it on your canvas and your navigation bar is added. Then you can double click on it to open up this navigation bar in editor. Here you can customize this navigation bar to your needs. You can change the links, change the logo. This component also created the variations for the phone and tablet also. This component provides you ready to use navigation that you can use in your real website. But if you want to create a simple and advanced navigation bar, you have to do it from scratch. So let's start with the second method. First click on layout icon. From there select frame. Then add a frame to your website. Rename it as navbar and move this layer to the desktop. Set the width to fill and height to 70 to 80 pixel according to your needs. Then turn layout option on and from here select stack and change the direction to horizontal. Change the alignment to center. Add the distribution as space between and also add a padding of 24 pixel to 32 pixel. Then click on insert icon. Here search for image. Drag and drop this image element on your navbar. Go to right property panel, click on fill and click on choose image and then select the logo from your desktop. Then resize this image. Make sure it is not too big and not too small. After that, let's add navigation link. Click on layout option and from there select frame. Then create a frame in your navbar. Turn on this layout option. Make sure it is selected as stack and in the direction select horizontal. Then click on text and add a text in this frame. First I will add text links. First will be home, then you can duplicate it and add the next. Then click on the frame that you have created and also change the background of it to match the background of navbar. Then change the gap to increase the gap between these links. Then I will change the distribute to end so that it moves to the right side of this navbar. Then set the navigation links. First select the first item, then click on link to section and from here select the page that you want to link to this nav link. I will select home from here. Then click on second item and select the appropriate page for this link. You have to follow these steps for every single link in this navbar. And if you want to make the navbar sticky, simply select the navbar and change the position of it to fixed. Then add the Z index of 10 so it stays above all the elements or content. Now this navbar stays visible on the scroll. Let's style the navbar. Select the navbar frame, then set the background color of your choice. I will make it light gray. We also have to change the link of this stack frame. I will use this color picker to match the color with navbar color. Then you can also add the border or shadow to this navbar. Then you can also customize this nav text. You can increase the font size, increase the font weightage to bold or something heavier. And if you want, you can also click on this plus icon right next to effects, and from here select hover, and then you can change the effect of hover. You can change the scale or opacity, and this effect will appear when someone hover on this nav items. Now let's make our navbar responsive. After you have added your navbar in the desktop breakpoint, click on this plus icon and select the tablet from here. This will create a tablet breakpoint for our website. Now we have to customize our navbar so it also visible on our tablet. First we have to change the width of it. So just simply go to sizing option and change the width to 100%. You have to change option from fixed to relative. Give the height of 100%. Then decrease the gap between these items, and also decrease the set the height, set the width of this stack or frame that contains these new items to fill, so these items don't get cut off. Once you have done this for tablet, again click on plus icon, then select phone from here. Now you have to again repeat these same steps to make it responsive for the mobile. For the mobile, you can hide this nav link and add a menu item, or you can add a hamburger icon to add new menu screen that will appear when someone click on that button. If you want me to make a video on how to create hamburger type menu, then please tell me in comment. I will also create that video. So that is how you can create a navigation bar in Framer. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.